In this video, I will show you how to make moving text in Webflow. So we have our text right here and we want it to move. So one way to move it is by using the animations that the page has. So for example, we'll choose page trigger and click on the page trigger or interactions of that specific element and click on page trigger, and we can choose while page is scrolling. Now we can choose an animation and just click on play scroll animation. Now let's add in an animation and click on the plus icon on the new scroll actions and click on move. Now for the first heading, we will choose 0 pixels to move, and let's add in on the 50% another move animation, and that move animation would be right here, and the third animation would be right here. Click on each keyframe and position them whichever you want. Now if we preview our text and if we scroll, you will see that it will be moving. So let's save the preset first. Let's make sure that you will see there's a triangle icon or caution because this move action does not have a value applied. So let's apply a value first. Let's make the value around 4. And if we preview our text right now, you will see that it is moving while we scroll. And that's about it. That's how to make moving text in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.